How to hide your Facebook friend list. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to hide your Facebook friends list. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook application on your mobile device. Ensure to log into your particular account. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, choose settings and privacy option at bottom of the screen. From the section, select Settings to get access to the Settings and Privacy page. Scroll down. And under Audience and Visibility section, choose How People Find and Contact You. Here you will see different options. Under Your Friends, you will see who can see your friend list. Simply choose Only Me button. So currently it has been chosen to Only Me. If your audience has been selected to public or to friends or friends of friends, simply you have to select only me, or you can also select a specific friends only, and this will hide your friend list on Facebook from everyone when you select to only me. Remember, your friends control who can see their friendship on their own timelines. If people can see your friendship on another timeline, they will be able to see it in news feeds, search, and other places on Facebook. If you set this to only me, only you will be able to see your full friend list on your timeline. Other people will see only the mutual friends. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.